Hey Creeplings, welcome to the second edition of the Zodiac Series. In this video I'll be sculpting a Pisces creature. This is in collaboration with Anastasia Rath, who is an amazing artist, and she'll be doing a 2D version of her Pisces creature on her channel. So I hope you join us in continuing this journey to finding the 13th Zodiac. Pisces means the fish, plural, in Latin, and it's one of the largest constellations in the sky. Pisces constellation is of Babylonian origin. The Babylonians saw it as a pair of fish joined by a cord. The constellation is usually associated with the Roman myth of Venus and Cupid, who tied themselves with a rope and transformed into a fish to escape the monster Typhon. This is where I drew inspiration from to create an aquatic creature with two heads that were conjoined, as if the transformation into becoming a fish was not perfect and it had its consequences. However, it led them to escape trouble. I chose this color because Pisces' element is water, and the birthstone for Pisces is aquamarine. Pisceans are overtly emotional, and this emotional nature of theirs is balanced by the birthstone. Aquamarine has many other healing properties. So going back, the zodiac sign is a symbolization of the epic struggle of the spirit rescuing humanity from the clutches of the monster of greed. The luminance of the transparent aquamarine accurately signifies this struggle, where the individual is gradually drawn towards loving and selfless service. For the individual, this is the only way that leads to the final victory of the spirit or the soul. Aquamarine is considered to have a tremendous balancing effort on all possible levels. It stabilizes physical, emotional, and mental aspects with striking ability. The gemstone is also an excellent purifier. Individuals born under the zodiac sign of Pisces are found to hugely benefit from the wonderful properties of the aquamarine at different levels. Pisces are considered as the proverbial dreamers of the zodiac. They're lovely, mystical, and compassionate beings. They can be the dream lovers or partners in the positive manifestation of their personalities. But alas, many a fish is inclined to keep swimming downstream without even trying to face the current upstream, a trait that may tag them as lazy, mellow, submissive, escapist, or pessimistic. Due to this tendency, the fish may be given to excessive indulgence in life, and they run the risk of losing themselves to either Epicurean worlds or a wasted, deprived state. Different to the common perception, the Pisces can be quite determined. All in all, the Pisces are sensitive, emotional, creative to the core, profound and intuitive beings. They carry a mystical allure that draws people towards them. So what's your sign? Are you a Pisces, or know any of them? The one that comes to mind in my life is definitely creative to the core, and I believe that's something that is a bond in our friendship. So here's the end result of this piece. I'll be posting the finalized version on my Instagram, and I hope to see you guys all in the next video. And if you haven't already, please check out Anastasia's version of her Pisces, and thanks again for watching. One last thing, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. It helps me to know that you enjoy this content, and I'll keep creating more. Bye.